Never distract the dog when the dog is working. Only the handler should talk to the dog when in harness. Don't make kissing noises, eye contact with the dog, or any other gestures that the dog may find exciting. Focus for the dog and its handler are of the utmost importance. The best practice while passing the team is to ignore the dog altogether. Guide dogs are not trained to read traffic lights, stop signs, or other traffic signs. It is up to the handler to determine when it is safe to cross. If you think they may need help, feel free to ask. If the handler says no, simply move along. If the handler says yes, you can be a sighted guide by offering your elbow to the handler. While crossing, if you know the dog's name, don't call the dog or try to persuade the dog to cross. This is detrimental to the team's safety. Even if you know the team personally, let the team make their own decisions.
Wait. Wauwatosa Avenue. Walk sign is on to cross Wauwatosa Avenue. Wauwatosa Avenue. Walk sign is on to cross Wauwatosa Avenue.
Audible crosswalks allow the handler and guide dog to cross the street by telling them when it is safe. Service dogs are allowed to accompany their handlers anywhere the public is allowed, as they are not considered pets. This rule applies to Uber and Lyft rides.
Good. I don't take dogs in my car.
Well, I apologize, ma'am, but she's a service dog?
No, sorry, I don't take dogs.
If you are denied a ride, you can report the driver in the app.
Hello, how are you? I'm well. You're my Uber?
I am.
Good girl, come on, Ida. Come over. Good girl. Go, other side.
Just right behind me.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
Good girl. That's a good girl.
In cars, guide dogs are trained to sit on the floor mats out of courtesy for the driver and for safety reasons.